Hello guys, you're welcome to La Prince Wealth Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe, and in this video we're going to look at V10 analysis. Now if you look at the chart, I usually start my training, my analysis with 1 hour time frame. All right, so once you look at the chart, let me remove all these things so that you understand how this analysis is. I'm going to do this analysis. Let me remove all this. All right, so now we have a plain chart. So the first thing you want to do, very first thing you want to do is to take a time frame to the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, what are you going to be doing? You're going to be looking at for key levels. So if you look up here, let's leave this down because of what? Okay, let me start with the down. This is a key level. Key level meaning that price has been reacting on this level. So what do you do on key levels? You think about buying or selling. You don't sell or buy if price is not on a key level. So we've gotten the key level from the weekly time frame on the upside. On the downside, now we're going to get it from also the upside. Now if you look at this place too, this place is also a very critical key level. So price, you can see that price got to that point and it went a little bit, came back to the test before going to the upside. You understand? So look at how we have seen that this market, ideally this market is an uptrend based on the weekly time frame. You can see this is an uptrend. I'm talking about V10. This is V10 for those of us who don't know about this volatility indices. I love them because they are always trending. You can have a good entry with indices and you make a lot of money with this pairs. So now I'm going to go back to the daily time frame. You see also daily time frame showing you that price is actually approaching a very key level. So what we expect that when price get to this key level, let me even let me see how come. So what we expect price to do is what? Is to buy when price get to this key level. This place seems to be okay. Price has even broken this level. Yeah, price has broken this level. Price has broken this level. This is a very strong trend line daily time frame. All right, it appears that it has broken this trend line. So this market can still be selling up to this level, because what I'm saying is that price has up to this particular level where you see this green arrow. Because of what? It has broken the very strong trend line. All right, so let's go to 4 hours time frame if it's going to give us a retest candlestick. So a retest is actually happening. You see it has been coming down all the way here. According to the weekly time frame, price drop, daily 4 hours time, price drop massively. This is a trend line, so you can draw a trend line to take quick profit, though it's already a very strong. I've made money from this particular down trend. So you see that price has been coming down very strongly. It's already retesting on the key level, on the zone. You see it's already retesting on that particular trend line. So we expect the price to see push up down to this arrow before it may react to the upside. So once you do that, you go to lower time frame, like 5 minutes, look for 5 minutes time frame to look out for entry. Whenever you see a market trending on the daily time, on the 4 hour or daily time frame, like okay, let me say 4 hours. When you see 4 hour candlestick keep printing massive red candlesticks, you want to get on that trade by going to a smaller time frame, maybe like 5 minutes, or all right, to look for an entry. Look at so many entries that you would have entered if you go back to 5 minutes time frame and allow price to do higher lows and lower lows. So you enter when price touch, for instance, when you see price do this, all right, you jump on board when price come to your trend line. If you push up, you jump on board and then you hold it down to the next key level. That's how it works. So right now this market is approaching this key level. Again, you are going to be expecting, I'm going to put some buy orders here, maybe like pending orders, because price will get to this level and probably react for a buy. That place you're seeing the arrow, it may get to that level and react for a buy. If price breaks through that arrow, and then it's going to do something like this, I'm going to go there for a sell. It's going to do like this. If price break there, it may come to this other side, but before it do that, it's going to do retest. It's going to break through, and if price break to that key level and then comes back for a retest, for instance, let me give you another. If you retest back to the upside, right? If you retest back to the upside, then you know that if it comes a little bit, come back and then go back and retest, then you know that it may come down all the way here, all the way down here. So watch out for price to get to this key level where you have this yellow line. All right, so use your weekly time frame to identify this key level and expect price to get there and react. You see a buy trade and make some pips. Probably it may even go up from there, but it has broken our level anyway, our trend line for an uptrend. It has broken our uptrend trend line. So if you come down here, it means that it may likely still break through this particular level, this green horizontal line. So guys, this is how you analyze the market. You look at use daily time frame, weekly time frame to look at the key levels, and then you break it down to start to daily, go to weekly, then go to 4 hours, see the trends, the strength of the trend. Like now it's a downtrend. You can see on a 4 hours time frame it has been coming down. So you also go all the way to even 15 minutes or 5 minutes to look for possible trade entrance. Is approaching, is now on that our trend line. All right, when this trend line is broken, and retest, that is when maybe perhaps the market may, if break through this trend line and then come back for a retest, then that means it may likely go to the upside. But for now, let's watch out how this trend line, the market is going to react. This is the best place to sell, if not of the fact that the market has been selling, because it's already sold, a lot of sales has taken place. But me, I'm very sure that this market will definitely come to this key level, this yellow line. So guys, I hope you understand this video. It's just a very straightforward price action strategy. You don't have to do any hard indicators. You don't have to do anything. Just use daily time frame, weekly time frame to see your key level, draw your levels, then use trend lines to identify higher high and higher lows. Look out for breakout and retest strategies. The market break out on this trend line and retest, is look for buy opportunities with smaller time for like 5 minutes, even 1 minute, to look for an entry. Then you put your stop loss below. So right now, as price is on this level now, for instance, if you want to enter this trade, you just look out for when price prints a bearish engulfing candlestick on this trend line. All right, when I say bearish, a candlestick that is you already know what I'm saying. For those of you already professionals, you know what I'm saying. Candlestick that is big enough. If you print candlestick that is big enough towards the downside, that means that buyers have, they are tired of buying. It may go. But before you buy here, ensure that you also have this particular trend line checked. Make sure that this one is also checked. Price has to break through this one again, and then you know that it may likely go down to that key level, because it can go all the way up here from here. But let's watch for price to also give us this small breakout from this small chart trend line, this small trend line. That way you are sure of probably not is 100% sure in trading. That way we can have some probability that it will get to this level, but allow it to break to that small trend line. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not done so. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.